Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GitHub on Windows 11, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Windows 11 operating system is up to date. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official GitHub website at www.github.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. After that, input your password in the second field. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Keep Me Signed In box. Once all fields are filled out, click the Sign In button. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. You will be prompted to enter your email address to receive a password reset link. Check your email for the reset link and follow the instructions provided. If this is your first time logging in, you may be required to verify your identity via two-factor authentication. Open the authentication app or check your email for the verification code. Input the verification code in the appropriate field on the GitHub login page. After successful verification, you will be logged into your GitHub account. Now you can start using GitHub on your Windows 11 device. Explore repositories, create new projects, and collaborate with other developers. For any future logins, simply repeat the steps to access your account quickly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.